And we managed to break a plate. Go me. Yes, I love myself so much.
Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a morning routine. I hope you enjoyed today's routine video. You guys seem to love my routines, so that's great. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. I appreciate every single one of you. I also do a tiny like chit chat, get ready with me in the end when I'm doing my makeup, so yeah, stay tuned for my video. Let's get into it. So in the mornings I like to get up at like 9 or 10ish, depending on how late I was working the night before. So today my little cat Bailey woke me up and he's just the cutest. And today my alarm was set at 10 AM, which I think is like a good time. I always check my social media, which isn't the best thing to do in the morning, so I try to keep it quick, but sometimes it's also the only thing that can help me keep my eyes open, which is really bad. And when I'm finally ready, I step out of bed and open my blinds just to let some light in, because that helps me stay awake as well. And I put my fairy lights on, and because it's so cold now I need to wear some fuzzy socks and my dressing gown. And then I will head downstairs and say hi to my dogs and get some breakfast. I also boiled some water and took my vitamins. So today I decided to make avocado toast and drink this skin cleansing tea, which I've been really loving recently.
I even changed my name this time. I followed you up the hill where you're frozen, and I filled you in when the force came up to inspect your home.
And I sprinkled some salt on it, and I just added some honey to my tea as well, because I don't normally drink tea, so I like to add a little bit of sweetener, and some oat milk I also added. And this breakfast was really luxurious. I don't always have this fancy of a breakfast. And then I'll just head upstairs, eat my breakfast. I love watching something like YouTube whilst I'm eating, so that's what I was doing today. And then once I've done that, it's time for skincare. So I'm just doing my skincare right now, and I'll also be brushing my teeth. And today my skin was acting out so much, so I decided to do a face mask. Obviously do not do this every morning, but whenever I feel like it and I have the time, I will treat myself to it. And whilst that was on, I just listened to some music and started planning my week, because I was filming this on a Monday. So I just wrote out what I had to do today and all the other days, and then yeah, I started cleaning as well, because I cannot be productive if my room isn't clean. I also lit some candles just to make it more cozy, and then I headed down to take my face mask off and finish up my skincare routine. And I also washed my armpits in the sink, because I do that like every morning when I don't shower, so yeah. Hi, so I have now done my skincare routine and most of my morning routine. Now it's just time for me to, this is probably my favourite part of my mornings. This just sets the mood for my day. Also now you can see that I do not have flawless skin, for all of you commenting that. Like literally my vlog camera blurs out like my skin basically so much. and the exposure does a lot as well, but you can see how bad my skin is recently. So, and I know it's because of my bad eating habits. Like, I've been the worst to my body and my skin and my health, so I'm gonna step my game up, see what happens. I'm currently drinking this tea that's supposed to help your skin. Not sponsored, this video isn't sponsored by anyone. Right now I'm basically gonna do my everyday makeup routine. I have a video of this up, I can link it down below, but you'll get the gist. This is like what I do every day. When I do my makeup, I either watch a vlog, but most of the time I'll listen to music to get me hyped up and in like a happy mood for the day and be like, oh, I'm a boss ass bitch, like you go hunty. Or I'll listen to one of my favorite podcasts, and preferably like a light happy one or one that makes me laugh, so like gets me in a good mood for the day. But I don't have any podcasts to listen to today, so I'm gonna listen to some music, get those tunes going.
Are you kidding me? It's dead.
Also, all of my mornings do not look exactly the same. Like as you guys know, I don't go to school anymore. I'm on a gap year. I'm currently working, saving up money for my travels next year. Me and my friend are going backpacking and I'm so excited about it. But yeah, I do work at McDonald's. I feel like I say this in every video, but maybe I don't need to say it in every video. But I just want to explain, like, most of my mornings are pretty chill because I normally start at 4 o'clock and work until like 2 a.m. because I always work like until it closes. So I normally wake up quite late, like 11ish, and then I have like a chill morning before I work. And for example, today I start at 4, and today I'm filming before work, which I normally do. Like, I normally film before work or edit before work. So yeah, and I also need to cook to bring food to McDonald's because like I don't like eating their food every single time I work there, but I do eat their food when I'm there a lot. Like, I always get something, so that's probably contributing to my skin.
We no money, no fame. We set the trends. Keep alive in the wintertime, don't you die yet.
So that's basically like my everyday makeup kind of. So now once I've got my makeup done, I'm gonna get changed into a comfy outfit because I'm only going to work today. I'm gonna change into my work clothes, so I'm just gonna throw something on that's comfy.
Take the weight up off your shoulder blades and try to store the pain and seed, grow some roots.
Leave video requests down below because I want to make content that you like, and I also want to switch it up. I just don't want to do the same like videos all the time. I want to create new content. Oh my god, there's literally someone outside my house rolling on like a really weird thing.
Oh, I need to see this.
Oh my god, that looked so weird.
Moving on.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a comment down below so I know. I really appreciate all of your comments, and it makes all of my hard work worth it just to hear us responses and get to talk to you and chat to you and stuff. So yeah, definitely add me on Snapchat and follow me on my other social media because I literally love chatting to you guys on there. Like, I'm not even saying that. If you do message me and say something, then I will most likely reply. Like, if I can, I try to reply to all of you guys because I love you so much. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to check my merch out. I will have it linked down below as always, and send me your pictures when you're wearing it and you will get a shout out on my Instagram, and maybe I'll even follow you. So yeah, I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Pretty little fears, music to my ears.
My lips are so dry.
It's not even funny.
Let's get into it.
It's a party up in here, guys. You just sip on that tea.